Hi students, I am Sekhar Mande. Welcome once again my YouTube channel. Now in this video we are going to learn exercise 1.3 of chapter number 1 differentiation of math second of standard 12. Right? पहा आपण यापूर्वी लॉगॅरिथमिक डिफरन्शिएशन आणि डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन बघितलं. आता ही जी एक्सरसाइज 1.3 मोठी आहे त्याचे आपण काही पार्ट्स करणार आहे. त्याच्यातले क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आणि 2 आपण या व्हिडिओत पाहू जे कोणावर डिपेंड आहे. दॅट आर डिपेंड्स अपॉन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ लॉगॅरिथमिक फंक्शन. बट मग सेकंड पार्ट थर्ड पार्ट आपण ते नंतर बघू. एक एक पहा. आता फर्स्ट वन एक्स प्लस 1 स्क्वेअर अपॉन एक्स प्लस 2 क्यूब प्लस एक्स प्लस 3⁴. डिफरन्शिएट द फॉलोइंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. मधलं पहिलं एक्झाम्पल. लेट फर्स्ट स्टेप काय वाय एक्स प्लस 1 स्क्वेअर एक्स प्लस 2 क्यूब एक्स प्लस 3⁴. टेकिंग लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड्स. काय होईल यू बाय व्ही. परत यू व्ही काय परत मल्टिप्लायमध्ये प्रॉडक्टमध्ये व्ही करणं म्हणून आपण काय यूज करू. आपण इथं लॉगॅरिथमिक फंक्शन यूज करतो. देअरफॉर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ लॉगॅरिथमिक फंक्शन यूज करणार आहे. लॉग ऑफ वाय लॉग ऑफ एक्स प्लस 1 स्क्वेअर एक्स प्लस 3⁴. सो log of x plus 1 square log of a by b log of x plus 2 cube x plus 3⁴. so log of x plus 1 square minus log of ह्या दोघांची ॲडिशन होईल. log of x plus 2 cube plus log of x plus 3⁴. पण मायनस साईन असल्यामुळे दोन्ही पण काय होईल मायनस. राईट. देअरफॉर व्हॉट डू गेट लॉग ऑफ वाय इज इक्वल टू काय 2 log of x plus 1 minus 3 log of x plus 2 minus 4 log of x plus 3. minus 4 log of x plus 3. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log of y 2 times 3 times minus 4 times log of x plus 3. Therefore 1 by y dy by dx. Derivative of this 2. Derivative of log of x plus 1 is 1 upon x plus 1 and again derivative of x plus 1 is 1 or 1 by y 1 by y dy by dx. Derivative of log of y is 1 by dy by dx. 2 times log of something is 1 upon something and again derivative of x plus 1 is 1. 3 upon 3 1 upon x plus 2 again derivative of x plus 2 is 1 minus 4 times 1 upon 1, isn't it? आता काय पुढे बघा. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y 2 into 1 2 upon x plus 1 minus 3 upon x plus 2 minus 4 upon x plus 3 and therefore dy by dx what is y x plus 1 square x plus 2 cube x plus 3⁴. 2 upon x plus 1 3 upon x plus 2 minus 4 upon x plus 3. Right. This is your difference derivative of this x plus 1 square upon x plus 2 cube x plus 2 cube into x plus 3⁴. Isn't it? त्याच्यानंतर बघा सेकंड. let y is equal to cube root of 4x minus 1, 2x plus 3, 5 minus 2x square, right? काय आता 1/3 हे काय 4x minus 1, 2x plus 3, क्यूब रूट म्हणजे काय 1/3. therefore y is equal to 4x minus 1, 1/3, काय आता 2x plus 3, 1/3, 5 minus 2x raised to 1/3. याला आपण काय केलं, सिम्प्लिफाय केलं, बरोबर. आता बघा डिफरंट टेकिंग log on both sides, so log of y, log of 4x minus 1 raised to 1/3, 2x plus 3, 1/3, हे काय होईल 2/3 होईल. 2/3 isn't it? मग काय therefore log of y, log of 4x minus raised to 1/3 मायनस, आता एक स्टेप कमी करतो, हे दोघं काय log of a बाय log of b, log of a मायनस log of this. पण हे दोघं ॲडिशनमध्ये लास्ट एक्झाम्पलमध्ये बघितलं आपण तसं, पहिल्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये तसं. इथं काय आपला जो होता log of 2x plus 3 raised to 1/3 मायनस log of 5 minus 2x raised to 2/3, and therefore 1/3, 2/3 log of 5 minus 2x. Differentiate with respect to x, derivative of log of y, four x minus 1, 1/3, derivative of log of 2x plus 3 minus 2/3 outside, 5 minus 2x, isn't it? याच्या पुढे काय येईल मग आता, derivative of log of y is 1/y dy by dx, 1/3, 1 upon 4x minus 1, again derivative of 4x minus 1 is 4, isn't it? Again minus 1/3, 1 upon 2x plus 3 into derivative of 2, 2x plus is 2, 2/3, 1 upon 5 minus 2x, and derivative of 5 minus 2x is minus 2, remember 5 is 0, minus 2x equal minus 2, right? Therefore dy by dx y 4/3 minus minus plus okay. Therefore dy by dx, what is y, 4x minus 1, 2x plus 3, याच्यातून 1/3 कॉमन काढू शकता तुम्ही, पण असंही ठेवलं तर काही हरकत नाही. 4/3 4x minus 1 minus 2/3 2x plus 3 plus 4/3 3 5 minus 2x, राईट. सर्व एक्झाम्पल, एक एक्झाम्पल बाकी वा सर्व एक्झाम्पल्स व्यवस्थित सोडवा. बरोबर, वही पेन समोर ठेवा. हे सर्वात सोपं चॅप्टर आहे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. तुम्ही केल्याशिवाय येणार नाही. मी किती लिहून दिलं आणि किती तुम्ही पाहिलं तर काही फायदा नाही. थर्ड बघा, एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 3 रेस टू 3/2 साइन क्यूब 2x 2 रेस टू एक्स स्क्वेअर. लेट y इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 3 रेस टू 3/2 साइन क्यूब 2x 2 रेस टू एक्स स्क्वेअर. Taking log on both sides, therefore x square plus 3 raised to 3/2 sin cube 2x 2x square log of x square plus 3 raised to 3/2 log of sin cube 2x square, and therefore 3/2 log of x square plus 3 log of sin 2x square log of 2 log of a raised to m log of e, right. So differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log of y 3/2 derivative of log of x square plus 3 derivative of log of sin 2x plus log 2 constant derivative of x square, isn't it. त्याच्यानंतर बघा नेक्स्ट वन, वन बाय y dy by dx 3/2 1 upon x square plus 3 into derivative of x square plus 3 is 2x plus 3 1 upon sin 2x, again derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x, and again derivative of 2x is 2 plus log of 2 into 2x, derivative of x square is 2x, isn't it. अथवा therefore dy by dx y, हा y इकडे ट्रान्सफर करू, 3 2 गेट कॅन्सल, 3x x स्क्वेअर प्लस 3 into 2 6 cos अपॉन साइन, जस्ट नेक्स्ट स्टेप लागू आपण साइन 2x log of 2, and therefore dy by dx y to 3/2 sin cube 2x 3x upon x square plus 3 6 cos upon sin cot 2x log of 2. Okay. Now next one is fourth one बघा, question number 1 fourth one, let y is equal to x square plus 2x plus 2 raised to 3/2 root over x plus 3 cube cos of x raised to x, taking log on both sides. Therefore log of y log of x square plus 2x plus 2 raised to 3 by 2 divided by cos of x raised to x, isn't it? Three by 2 log of root x plus 3 cube minus log of cos of x is to x. Therefore log of y हे काय पुढील 3 by 2 log of x square plus 2x plus 2 raised to 3 by 2 minus 3 log of root x plus 3 minus x log of x minus x log of cos x, right? हा x पुढील x log cos of x, differentiate log of y 3 by 2 3 by 2 minus 3 times derivative of minus इथे आता u into व्हील फर्स्ट फंक्शन कॉन्स्टंट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ लॉग ऑफ कॉस एक्स, पण मायनस साईन असल्यामुळे दोन्ही पण मायनस येईल. एक्स लॉग ऑफ कॉस एक्स अगेन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ लॉग ऑफ कॉस एक्स कॉन्स्टंट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ एक्स. सो 1 by y dy by dx 3 by 2 हे काय होईल 3 by 2 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 2 again x square plus 2x काय 2x plus 2, right? Minus 3 upon 1 by root x plus 3 again derivative of root x plus 3 is 1 by 2 root x minus x 1 by cos x again derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus log of cos x derivative of x is 1, isn't it? त्याच्यानंतर बघा एक्झाम्पल्स मोठे पण आवडणे 1 by 1 करायचे, पाठपुरावा करायचा त्याचा. therefore dy by dx 3 by y 3 by 2 that is 9 by 4 इथून 2x plus 2 याच्यातून 2 कॉमन काढू 2x plus 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 2 minus 3 by 2 root over x plus 3 root x 3 into 1 3 root x काय minus minus plus x cot x sorry tan x आणि log of cos x minus log of cos x, right? And therefore dy by dx what is y x square plus 2x plus 2 raised to 3 by 2 root over x plus 3 cube cos of x raised to x इकडे 9 इथे काय 9 x plus 1 by 2 minus 3 here is 2 not 3 इथं 2 आहे हां, 3/2 रूट एक्स प्लस एक्स टॅन एक्स मायनस लॉग ऑफ कॉस एक्स. ओके. त्याच्यानंतर बघा नेक्स्ट वन, fifth one, let y is equal to x is to 5 sin square 3x, taking therefore upon sin square 3x log of sin square 3x. So 5 log of 2 log of sin 3x. Differentiate with respect to x. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ लॉग ऑफ वाय. इथं काय आता u इंटू व्ही बरोबर, ए प्लस बी लॉग ऑफ ए लॉग ऑफ बी मायनस लॉग ऑफ सी डिवाइड बरोबर. हे 5 लॉग ऑफ एक्स 3 लॉग ऑफ टॅन 4x 2. सेम प्रोसिजर. एकदा तुमचं लक्ष झालं काय करायचं आहे की तुम्हाला येणार आहे बरोबर, पण सुरुवात करणं आणि स्ट्रगल करणं आवश्यक आहे. तुम्ही नुसतं वाचल्याने कधीच येऊ शकत नाही. मी स्वतः लिहितोय म्हणून मी तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचतोय. मी नुसतं वाचून दाखवलं असतं तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचलो नसतो. लॉग ऑफ एक्स 1/x log of tan 4x 1/tan 4x into derivative of tan 4x is sec square 4x, again derivative of 4x is 4 minus 2 log of 1/sin 3x, again derivative of sin 3x is cos 3x and derivative of 3x is 3, isn't it? So what do you get next? Therefore dy by dx y 5/x 3 into 4 12 sec raised to 4x upon आपलं sec square 4x upon tan 4x minus 3 into 2 6 cos upon sin cot, right? So therefore dy by dx याला आपण अजून सिम्प्लिफाय करू शकतो पण कीप ॲज इट इज. therefore dy by dx is equal to x raised to 5 tan cube 4x. तुम्ही सिम्प्लिफाय करू शकता. याला काय 1/cos square x and tan x is sin x upon cos x. त्याच्यानंतर 5/x 12 sec raised to 4x sec square raised to sec square 4x tan 4x minus 6 cot of 3x. Okay. Now sixth example of question number 1 is let y is equal to x raised to tan inverse x taking log on both sides. Therefore log of y x is to tan inverse x. Tan inverse x log of x, differentiate with respect to x, derivative of log of y, tan inverse x constant, derivative of log of x constant, derivative of tan inverse x. और हे जस्ट tan inverse x सिंपल एक्झाम्पल आहे बघा मागच्यापेक्षा 1/y dy by dx tan inverse x, what is derivative of log of x? 1/x. Log of x, derivative of tan inverse x is 1/1 plus x square. So dy by dx is equal to y tan inverse x upon x plus log of x upon 1 plus x square, and therefore what is y? X is to tan inverse x, tan inverse x upon x, log of x upon 1 plus x square, isn't it? त्याच्यानंतर next one, sin x raised to x, taking log on both sides, log of y, log of sin x is to x. So x log of sin x, differentiate with respect to x, derivative of log of y, derivative of log of sin x, log of sin x constant, derivative of x. So 1 upon sin x, and derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of x is 1, and therefore dy by dx is equal to y तिकडे ट्रान्सफर करू आपण x upon x cos x upon sin x plus log of sin x. So dy by dx, sin x is to x, x cos upon sin cot x, log of sin x. Okay, next one बघा तो डिफरेंट आहे आता. let y is equal to sin x raised to x, त्याला जस्ट आपण असं करू, taking differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx, derivative of sin x raised to x. So derivative of sin x raised to x, sin x raised to x हा अँगल आहे, ह्या दोघांमध्ये डिफरन्स आहे बघा, बोथ आर डिफरंट, दॅट इज sin x raised to x, म्हणजे जस्ट दिस इज नथिंग बट, इथे आपण काय करू शकतो, sin x raised to x असं लिहू शकतो याला, बरं. स्क्वेअर असेल तर आपण जसं लिहितो sin square x तसं दिस थिंग, बट this is not sin x raised to x, this is sin of x raised to x, right? So first we get cos x raised to x, again derivative of x raised to x, right? This is your dy by dx, equation 1. Consider u is equal to x raised to x, so taking log on both side, log of u, log of x is to x, x log of x, differentiate with respect to x, x constant, log of x, derivative of x, 1 by u, derivative of log of x is 1 by x, derivative of x is 1, x cancel, u 1 plus, and therefore what is u? X is to x, one plus log of x. Therefore by 1 and 2, dy by dx cos of x is to x. What is derivative of x is to x? X is to x, 1 plus log of x. Okay. Now we will take question number 2. Differentiate the following with respect to x. First one, let y is equal to x is to e, x is to x, e raised to x, e raised to e, e raised to e. अथवा याला काय करतो मी, x is to e, e raised to x, हे स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म मध्ये x is to e म्हणजे x is to n, e raised to x आणि प्लस e raised to e एका ब्रॅकेट मध्ये घेतो आणि x is to x. Let u is equal to, let consider u is equal to e, x is to e, and v is equal to x is to x. Now therefore y is equal to u plus v, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx, du by dx plus dv by dx, equation 1. Now u is equal to x is to e, e raised to x, differentiate with respect to x, du by dx, e raised to x, e raised to e. So what do you get? x is to n, कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये x is to n म्हणजे काय, लिही x is to e minus 1, x is to n, n x is to n minus 1, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, and derivative of e raised to e काय, constant term there 0. So du by dx, therefore du by dx is equal to e x is to e minus 1 plus e raised to x, equation 2. Now consider what is v. आपण यापूर्वी सोडवलेले आहे, टेकिंग log on both sides, log of v, log of x is to x. So log of v, x, log of x, differentiate derivative of log of v, log of x plus log of x, derivative of x, 1 by v, x, derivative of log of x is 1 by x plus log of x, derivative of x is 1. So v dv by dx, x get cancel, v 1 plus log of x, that is dv by dx का येईल आपला. Therefore dv by dx, v x is to x, 1 plus log of x, 3. So from 1.3, dy by dx is equal to du by dx e raised to x e into x is to e into x raised to e minus 1 plus e raised to x plus x raised to x 1 plus log of x, right? Now next one, second, let y is equal to x is to x plus e raised to x. Let u is equal to x is to x, v is equal to e raised to x, isn't it? अथवा therefore y is equal to u plus v, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx du by dx plus du by dx. Now consider u taking log on both sides. So what you get? He x is to x का will, therefore log of u x is to x पुढे log of x, नीट लक्ष द्या, x is to x का will पुढे येईल आणि हे काय log of x, but till the problem is not end. So again take log on both sides. So log of u, log of x is to x, here this is u and this is v, log of x. So log of u, this is x log of x differentiate with respect to x, log of x, again derivative of log of x. So derivative of log of u here. So 1 upon log of u, again derivative of log of u is 1 by u and again du by dx 1 by x log of, here is note that u into v, first function constant derivative of second constant derivative of first, and here derivative of log of x. Here x 1 by x, here log of x, derivative of x is 1. Here the u into v plus 1 upon log of x, again derivative of log of x is 1 by x. So x get cancel, u log of u 1 plus 1 upon x log of x, isn't it? So therefore what do you get? Therefore du by dx, what is u? x raised to x is to x. What is log of u? X is to x log of x. 1 plus 1 plus log of x, 1 upon x log of x, right? This is equation 2, and v is equal to taking log on both sides, therefore x is to x log of e, that is, what is log of e? 1. So log of v, but problem is not ended, so again take log on both sides. So log of v, x log of x, differentiate log of v, x constant, derivative of log of x, x, 1 upon log of v, again derivative of log of v is 1 by v, again dv by dx, x 1 by x log of x into 1, and therefore dv by dx is equal to v log of v, हे इकडे येईल मल्टिप्लाय, x x cancel, 1 plus log of x, and therefore what we get? I write here once again. Therefore dv by dx, v is e raised to x is to x log of v, x is to x, 1 plus, and therefore from 1, 2 and 3 dy by dx, x is to x is to x log of x, 1 plus log of x, 1 upon x plus log of x, plus e raised to x is to x, x is to x log of x, e raised to x raised to x, x is to x, 1 plus log of x. Now question number 2 मतलब third one, log of x is to x minus cos of x cot raised to cot x, let y procedure, log of x is to x minus cos of x raised to cot x. आता इथे काय u minus v, नॉट u into v, u into v असतं तर आपण काय केलं असतं, डायरेक्ट लॉग अप्लाय केलं असतं. मग इथे बघा याला u, याला काय कन्सिडर करणार आपण, v. सो वी गेट u प्लस v, डिफरन्शिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, सो dy by dx, du by dx plus dv by dx. Now first we take u log of x is to x, taking log on both sides, what do you get? Log of u log of x is to x, right? So log of u, we get x log of x, differentiate with respect to x, so what do we get? Derivative of log of u, x constant, derivative of log of x, log of x constant, derivative of x. So 1 by u x. What is derivative of log of x? 1 upon log of x, and again derivative of log of x is 1 by x. Log of x into 1. So what do we get? X get cancel. U 1 upon log of x, log of x, and therefore du by dx. What is u? u का आप लोग log of x is to x, one by log of x. This is equation 2. Also consider v is equal to cos of x is to cot x, isn't it? काय मग आपल्याला बघा, taking log on both sides, therefore log of v cos x is to cot x, cot x in front, cos of x, differentiate with respect to x, cot x constant, derivative of log of cos x plus log of cos x constant, derivative of cot x. So 1 by v cot x, 1 by cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus log of cos x, and plus log of cos x, and derivative of cot x is minus cos x square x. Therefore v cos x आपला cot x बा हे माइनस sin x upon cos x माइनस tan x प्लस क्या माइनस cos x square x log of cos x. Therefore dv by dx. What is v? Cos x raised to cot x. Cot आणि tan का होईल आप -1 cos x square x log of x. So dv by dx minus 1 plus cos x square x log of, sorry, here is cos x, log of cos x. And therefore by 1 this is 3, 1, 2 and 3 dy by dx log of x प्लस हे काय होईल आता यू मायनस आहे पण एका होईल मायनस मायनस प्लस cos x raised to cot x 1 plus cos x square x log of cos x. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर बघा फोर्थ वन, let y is equal to x e raised to x log of x sin x. Consider u is equal to x e raised to x therefore y is equal to u plus v du by dx plus dv by dx. Now u is equal to x is e raised to x. Taking log on both sides, log of x e raised to x and therefore log of u by e raised to x काय पुढे येईल e raised to x log of x differentiate with respect to x e raised to x e raised to x 1 by u 1 by x plus log of x, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, so du by dx u e raised to x by x plus log of x e raised to x, and therefore du by dx, what is e raised this u x e raised to x येथून e raised to x कॉमन येईल 1 by x plus log of x. This is equation 2. Also consider v is equal to log of x is to sin x, taking log on both sides, therefore log of v log of log of sin x log of x, differentiate with respect to x, sin x constant, derivative of log of x plus log of x constant, derivative of sin x. So what do you get? Therefore 1 by v dv by dx sin x 1 upon log of x, again derivative of log of x is 1 by x, and derivative of sin x is cos x, right? So dv by dx v sin x upon x log of x cos x into, and therefore what is v? Log of x sin x, x log of x plus cos x log of x. This is equation 3, and therefore by 1, 2 and 3 dy by dx is equal to, this is u काय आपलं तो x e raised to x 1 by x plus sin x, x log of x plus cos x log of x. ओके. बघा याच्यातले 5, 6 आणि 7 तुम्ही स्वतः करा. मागच्या एक्झाम्पल सारखं जे तुम्हाला त्याची आयडिया येईल. बरोबर. त्याच्यानंतर आता याच्यातलं 8-1 घेतो. लेट y इज इक्वल टू tan x raised to tan x raised to tan x. So y is equal to tan x a raised to m raised to n, काय a raised to mn, right? So I can write here tan square x, taking log on both sides, therefore log of y log of tan x is to tan square x. So tan square x log of tan x, differentiate with respect to x, log of derivative of log of y tan square x, derivative of log of tan x plus log of tan x constant, derivative of tan square x, right? So what do you get? आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू काढायची dy by dx ची at x is equal to pi by 4. So 1 by y tan square x, derivative of log of tan x का 1 upon tan x into derivative of tan x is sec square x plus log of tan x 2 tan x and derivative of tan x is sec square x tan x sec square x log of tan x 2 tan x sec square x, and therefore what is y? Tan x raised to tan x raised to tan x sec square x plus 2 tan x sec square x log of tan x. आता ही व्हॅल्यू कोणत्या वेळेस काढायची आपल्याला? Therefore when x is equal to pi by 4 is equal to, replace x by pi by 4, tan pi by 4 tan pi by 4 tan pi by 4, right? tan pi by 4 sec square pi by 4 2 tan pi by 4 sec square pi by 4 tan pi by 4 काय होता 1 raised to 1 raised to 1, right? Here 1. What is 6 pi by 4 root 2 square 2 into 1 root 2 square log of 1. Tan pi by 4 is log of 1, right? So this is 1 into this is 2 only, 2 into 2. Log of 1 is always 0, so 1 2 0, so we get only 2, right?